Right, here we are. We're going to play Temple of Puna tonight. It's about 10 minutes ish. So there's poison dart dudes here, so you've got to watch you don't get poison darted. Which you more than likely will. Oh, I've been poison darted. So we head up in this direction. There's another one coming. But don't worry, because there's a crystal up here. And there is one secret in this level. There's another dude away to come as well. He'll just be coming in a second. And the secret is up, not up there, no, that's wrong view. The secret is up in there, but the door will open once we go around the level. So the first challenge is some harrowing discs that touch you, you're dead. Right, this is the things you've got to avoid. You actually jump past them, so just go back a bit. I'm going to go and get that crystal. Right, what you need to do is park yourself there, and then they won't get you. And just walk back a bit, park yourself there again. There's 4 of these switches to do. If you stand on the line, you're okay. So now we need to jump over them. So actually, if you do them in this order, we'll be nearer the exit. And the last switch. It's the door open. Doors down there to our right. Now the next bit, there's 2 ways to do it. I've got a save for it, so we'll try and do it both ways. One's really hard and one's really easy. So right, I'll refilm that. So we can slide down here, and there's 2 ways of doing it. Pull this block out, which is the easy way, and then you just do the 3 switches at your leisurely pace. Or you can come down and do the 3 switches, run out the door before the ceiling gets you. Oh, be brave, try it. So this is a hang and drop. Yeah, that big ball's going to chase us in a minute. So what I normally do is go so far and then start running from here. It's got me. There's 3 poison dart dudes, but they've got me. But I deliberately run past the crystal. Yeah, I run to the far side so I'd miss the crystal, so I could come back and get it. You need to duck and go in it. And still no medbucks. Yeah, I know, I'm cheating, I'm getting crystals. Right, we'll get the secret now. And we'll fight the boss. So if you come up a few steps, and then jump and grab. So we get a med pack, big med pack, if you're using them, it's handy. And the Desert Eagle, yeah, beauty. Couple of Desert Eagle clips. We've got some more Desert Eagle clips. And a box of flares. So we just do a hang and grab, jump, drop in, and we shall go and fight the boss level. I think this guy here's got a small med pack, yeah he does. Right, don't shoot him. What happens here is when he turns round he'll fire lightning at you, so you need to jump out his way as quick as you can, and you can only shoot him while he's firing the lightning. We'll go on the second step. Now he'll bring out one of his minions. That's it, I've got him. So it's about 7 shots to get him. And that's the end of South Sea Islands, so we shall be going to London next, and unfortunately London's quite dark. I'm keeping Nevada for last because we lose all our weapons there. London levels are quite big. You have to go around 5 times in Aldbridge. So when I pick this up, that's the end of it. There we go, 9 minutes 55, so it's not that long a level. And you get the choice where you want to go, that's Nevada. I don't want to go there, so I'll be going to London. And get a save there for the next level of the film. Then we start here, so I'm just going to get a save.